Guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have TECNO 6 Neo and I want to show you how to fix the problem when your Google Play Store install application are not visible on it. To fix your problem, tap on your game and choose your photo on the right corner. There are settings, family and parental controls. As you can see now, we have page 3 to visible game or application. As Mobile Legends game, we need more than page 3. To change it, tap it, enter your connect pin, and now we can easily change it from page 3 to maybe allow all included underrated, confirm by safe, or we can also turn off your parental control by switch off. Now we can go back and try search Mobile Legends games again, which is visible right now, and we can install it. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye.